Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai or Kia with a GDI engine and you have a ticking sound coming from the back side of the engine. Stay with us, we'll explain one common thing that can cause that and we'll explain what else can do that. So make sure to stay till the end. We'll share super helpful information if you have a ticking sound. Now before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you need to buy parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's explain on this GDI engine. This specifically is a 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different GDI engine such as let's say 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, 2.4 or 2.5, the procedure will be about the same. If you hear ticking sound from your engine, guys, it could be multiple things, okay? But if it's towards the back side of the engine, that's very distinctive, because usually if there is mechanical problem or ticking, valve lifter noise or anything like that, it will be from the top of the engine. This is your intake manifold where the car gets its air from, and on the back side of the engine is where the exhaust manifold will be located. That's where the exhaust gas will come out of. And right here, guys, you're going to have a gasket, okay? This gasket will be mounted right here, and that gasket will be between the cylinder head and the exhaust manifold. That's where the exhaust system starts on your vehicle. So if you guys have problems with ticking, guys, it could be really really simple fix, such as a bad exhaust manifold gasket or loose exhaust manifold gasket. If it's loose, it will not seal correctly, and under pressure when you accelerate, pass, or climb a hill, you will hear that ticking sound. For instance, that gasket on cylinder number 4 sealed really good. Cylinder number 3, that's a humongous exhaust leak, and you can even see it on the cylinder head, that black spot right here. If you don't fix it, it can actually eat the aluminum, and then it will be hard to fix. It actually even when your car starts, it creates condensation, and you can see it actually dripped on the water pump pipe as well. Now on cylinder number 2 we have a little bit of a leak here as well. Cylinder number 1 we don't, and that is due, guys, because the exhaust manifold was actually loose. It wasn't tight enough. So you can see right here it's 3 and 2. Now another thing, it could be the flex pipe. Flex pipe right here, if it develops a crack, it can sound like a ticking, but it will be more loud noise. This one will be kind of like ticking sound, guys, and it will be very distinguishable. Also, you may smell like gasoline in the cabin sometimes, because gas will start coming out from here, and it can make its way through the heater or the AC system, go through the cabin filter, and you will smell gas as well. Or under the hood, if you open it and you hear that ticking sound and you smell gas, it's very likely that you have a bad exhaust manifold gasket. Hopefully, guys, that will figure out your problem. If you want to see how to replace exhaust manifold gasket, we have the video on the channel. Check it out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.